Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Indiana's UST database. The first resource that I want to go over is a blog on Convenience Talk, and the reason is it's a complete list of the UST databases, and it is organized by state. So if we go down to Indiana, click on this link, it will take you to this page. And down this page, you'll see UST Reports XLS. And if you download this report, what you'll get is an Excel file, which I've uploaded to Google Docs. And I've applied one filter, and if you want to know how to apply filters, they're applied up here. And then there's owner information, there's site information, there's owner information with some addresses. There's really not any contact details. Of course, you have your fuel class here. And then you can see too that some of the owners obviously are outside of the state in terms of their location. But what I wanted to do is take this as an example, and the owner of this company is J&J Petro. And so to kind of append this research, I went to the Secretary of State for Indiana, and I pulled up their record under that database. And you can see that I was able to find the president of this company. That's it for Indiana. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.